Morning YouTube, I'm in Atlanta. I am getting ready to drop off my van. Shipper who's going to carry it to Spain for us. We spent all day yesterday prepping and preparing the van. And what that entails is lots of paperwork, usually with the insurance company as well as with any lease or lien holders you might have. And then in addition to that, making sure you have all the proper clearances for the port of calls you guys are going to be sending your van to. So here I am trying to barge through traffic at 6 a.m. in the morning. Atlanta, you are crazy. So we'll see if we can get this thing going. I want to document and let you guys know how it goes and what the steps are. So step one, take it to the shipper. Okay, so one of the first things to go, not arrive, but kind of slow me down here, you have to have less than a quarter of a tank, according to the shipper, to get it across to Europe. Driving around, my appointment's in 30 minutes to drop it off, and I am like putting it in fourth gear and trying to drive it at 3,500 RPM without blowing an engine right now. I've got like just over a quarter of a tank right now, and I'm trying to get there. So take time, burn fuel, don't be efficient. Never thought I would say that. Okay, this time I think I got it. So we're about a mile out. We're gonna go drop this thing off and see what they say. Might be doing more laps, who knows. All right, here we are, dropping it off. Front, nice and clean. All right, YouTubers, c'est la vie, mama. She is taking me back home. Well, actually, we're gonna go pick up the little sister right now. We just finished up at the vehicle shipper. They are gonna
locator. International auto locator.
Oh, thank you. And they took the vehicle from us. It was, we've been here for what, about an hour and a half? Mm-hmm. It took about 90 minutes for them to do all the inspections, make sure that the vehicle was cleared for the country that we're going into. I don't have my seatbelt on, hang on. All right, the inspection itself was rather painless. They were very methodical with how they were gonna do it. They were a little less than enthusiastic about the fact that I brought them a van that was super huge. In fact, they were drawing straws on who was gonna do the inspection and actually process it. But everything worked out. All the paperwork was in order. Things for paperwork included current registration, insurance, valid insurance for going overseas. Make sure that if you are going overseas that you have approval from your loan or your lien or whoever it might be that is the owner of the car, if it's not directly you, or in this case the RV. And then that was it. We basically processed everything. I paid them and we walked out. Altogether, the total bill to get this thing overseas is going to be close to about $5,000.
Not cheap.
So when you get done trying to calculate everything into how you want to build or if you want to ship your own, so I think most cars they get over there for under 3 or 4. So keep that in mind if you guys are interested in doing this route. I'll put some more information down below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask, and I'll do a more detailed look at this. Thanks, guys.